So on this particular slide, we're going to be looking at how money moves, understanding the affiliate income system. Now that you understand why affiliate marketing is the fastest side hustle, let's look at something even more exciting, how the money actually flows. This is the backbone of everything that you'll be doing. Affiliate marketing follows a simple income system. Let me break it down step by step for you. Number one, invest in ads and gather orders. So this is the only investment you need to start affiliate marketing. The only single investment that you need to start affiliate marketing, right? Money for ads. And honestly, it is one of the smartest investments in the world of business, not just in this course, but for any business. Many business owners still don't understand how powerful digital advertising is. With ads, you can spend a little and reach hundreds of people, thousands of people across the entire country and even outside the country, all from your phone or your laptop. This is why this single investment is extremely powerful. Right? It helps you to reach way more people than walking up and down kind of hustle ever can, right? So your first job is simple. Set up your ads. Use catchy visuals like videos or graphics that make people stop scrolling when they see your ad. Your ad has to be very interesting, not something boring or something that looks childish. Then you set up your conversion funnel properly, then promote the product. And once everything is set, boom, people will start rushing in with their orders. Number two is to forward these orders to the company. Once orders start coming in, your next step is to collect the customer details and forward them to the company. That is it. Some companies use unique affiliate links where every sale made through your link is tracked automatically and they know you are the one that brought the customer. But for this course, we won't be using links. Instead, you will only have to collect order details, log the orders, and forward them to the company. That is all. The company will now contact the customer, confirm the order, handle delivery, follow up, update the order status. And you can also assist with follow-ups, which increases your conversion rate so that you don't just, send in your ad and you relax without following up on your own customer. Because the more you follow up, you also get to create a relationship with those customers so that they can come back to you over and over again. Number three is that you get paid when orders are delivered. Yes, this is the sweet part. Once the company successfully delivers the product to the customer, you get paid your agreed commission. Payment schedules vary. Some companies pay weekly, others pay monthly. But this is also depending on your arrangement. You might say, oh, I want to get my money every weekend, or I want to get my money every Wednesday or Thursday, any day of the week. Or you can just, literally say, pay me my money at the end of every month, right? Just like you collect your salary. But the bottom line is simple. Delivered product is equal to money in your account. That is affiliate income system. Very simple, clear, and straightforward. So with ads, you get orders, then these orders get delivered, then you get your payments. Right? And the best part, you can run this entire business from the comfort of your home. I keep saying this. You can run this entire business from the comfort of your home. There's no Lagos traffic at all. So this is why affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and most flexible ways to earn income today. Do you agree with me now?